My favorite type of art medium. Art is a form of expression that allows individuals to communicate their thoughts, emotions, and ideas visually. There are various mediums through which artists can create their works, ranging from traditional techniques to modern digital platforms. Among these, my favorite type of art medium is painting. Painting is a versatile and timeless medium that has been practiced for centuries. It allows artists to create images using pigments and a binder, typically applied to a surface such as canvas, paper, or wood. The beauty of painting lies in its ability to capture the essence of the subject and evoke emotions through the use of color, texture, and composition. One of the reasons why I love painting as a medium is its ability to convey mood and atmosphere. Through the careful selection and application of colors, artists can create a specific ambience and evoke certain emotions in the viewer. Whether it's the vibrant and energetic strokes of a lively cityscape or the soft, soothing hues of a tranquil landscape, painting has the power to transport us to different worlds and evoke a wide range of emotions. Another aspect of painting that I find fascinating is its ability to capture the essence of the subject. Whether it's a portrait, still life, or abstract work, painting allows artists to depict the details, textures, and nuances of the subject with great precision and depth. The brushstrokes, layers of paint, and subtle variations in color and tone bring the subject to life, creating a sense of realism and capturing its unique character. Painting also offers a wide range of creative possibilities. From realistic representations to abstract interpretations, artists have the freedom to explore different styles, techniques, and subjects. Whether it's experimenting with different brushstrokes, mixing colors, or exploring various painting techniques, painting allows for endless creative exploration and self-expression. This versatility and freedom of expression make painting an exciting and dynamic medium to work with. Furthermore, painting as a medium allows for a tactile and hands-on experience. The act of applying paint to a canvas or surface provides a direct connection between the artist and the artwork. It requires physical engagement and the use of fine motor skills. The texture of the paint, the sensation of the brush on the surface, and the ability to manipulate the medium with varying pressure all contribute to a sensory and immersive experience. This hands-on approach allows the artist to fully engage with the creative process, resulting in a deeper connection and personal investment in the artwork. Lastly, painting as a medium offers a sense of timelessness and historical significance. Throughout history, painting has been used to document events, capture moments in time, and express cultural and societal values. From the ancient cave paintings to the masterpieces of the Renaissance and the modern works of today, painting has played a significant role in human history and culture. By engaging with painting as a medium, we become part of this rich artistic tradition and connect with the countless artists who have used painting to express themselves throughout the ages. In conclusion, painting as a medium holds a special place in my heart. Its ability to convey mood and atmosphere, capture the essence of the subject, offer creative possibilities, provide a tactile experience, and embody historical significance make it a truly captivating and timeless form of expression. Painting allows artists to communicate their thoughts, emotions, and ideas in a visual language that transcends time and space. Whether it's through the vibrant strokes of a landscape or the intricate details of a portrait, painting has the power to inspire, provoke, and move us.